Outside, get it out. Oh, no. Get it outside. Do you have a fire extinguisher? Throw it on the ground.
What's up, guys? Adrian Amaral with 911 Gadgets. In today's video, we're going to see what happens when we poke this battery. This battery, if you go look at the live that I did, I think it's an A03s, Samsung A03s. They brought it in just for a battery replacement or something. It wasn't turning on, but what happened was crazy. The battery got swollen and it made the cable, push down from expanding upwards, and it damaged the motherboard, like one of the connectors, and then the connector on the screen also got damaged. So we're gonna just poke it carefully and see what happens. Hopefully we don't explode here, but we'll see right now. So I fixed that phone already. Thank goodness everything is working good. Okay, I was able to repair that motherboard, and here is their old screen. All right, look at that. That connector's all messed up. Okay, so I had to replace the screen. I didn't feel like removing the connector and then doing that. So this is essentially a good screen. So I might play with it and try to salvage it. Now the motherboard piece, I have another phone, the exact same phone. It was this part that got damaged. The connector was like this because it expanded, it pulled down, and it damaged this side of the board, of the connector. This was okay, but the connector of the LCD on the LCD side was damaged, okay? Again, go look at that video and leave a comment if you have any questions. I did repair the motherboard, and now we're gonna try this battery. What do you think, Sean? What do you think's gonna happen, bro?
I don't know. It depends on what's in there. Is that air or is that battery acid? Don't lose your face, bro.
Let me tell you what happens when I have punctured a battery accidentally. Normally on Apple products, it'll go like this little smoke.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So it's maybe a type of gas in there.
Yeah.
Interesting. I'm not a scientist. A scientist I am not.
Okay. Let's see here, guys. Well, wish me luck. I'm going to grab one of our sharpest knives here.
Don't lose your face, bro.
All right. I should probably wear some goggles real quick.
Throw some goggles on.
Just in case. I should probably put some gloves on, too.
I'm here for moral support.
Thank you.
And a trip to the hospital if you need it.
Yeah, there we go.
Well, at least you won't get it in your eyes, right?
Yeah, my eyes and my hands are...
Use your PPE, people. Personal protective equipment.
All right, guys, here we go. All right, bro. You sure you don't want to try it?
I'm sure. I'm just looking over your shoulder.
All right, bro.
Go on, Adrian. Check it out first.
Leave me a comment. What do you guys think is going to happen, all right? Don't cheat. Pause the video right now. Leave a comment. There you go. Oh, my thumb might be gone. All right, here we go. Should I not even hold it, huh? Let me see, dude. I don't know what to do, man.
You're like afraid.
Oh, okay.
Don't you have another pair of gloves? Because those are not very, yeah, just keep your... Don't stab, bro.
I need to stab it.
No, secure it with your left hand.
No.
Don't use the fingers that have the glove.
No, there you go.
Don't use your thumb. You're hilarious.
Here we go,
Make
guys.
an incision like a surgeon.
Like this?
Yeah, but don't use your thumb. No, it's just okay. Just
like this?
Yeah, secure it with
Okay.
Yeah.
You know, I feel better securing it with the phone.
Oh my god.
Here we go, guys. Should I get closer? Let me see here.
About to puncture this battery.
All right, guys. Sorry about that. Let me see here. All right, there you go.
And somebody who's done this before, someone smarter than us, is saying no.
I don't think anything's going to happen, guys, but here we go. I see it losing air already. And I'm going sideways like this because I don't want to puncture anything more internal. If this is just like... Okay.
Nothing?
Nothing, bro. You wanted to see an explosion?
It's a dud. It's kind of like when you the landmines, and it's like
yeah.
everybody thinks it's gonna be a boom, but it's like a dud. Well, that's good.
That's good.
Then that's weird. What causes it to puff up like that?
Yeah, you're right. I don't know what it is.
There's got to be something in there.
This reminds me of my grandma, rest in peace, when she used to do tortillas. She used to grab the dough and go like this.
Dude, I'm sorry. When you said it, like, it reminds me of my grandma. And we were talking about it puffing up. You're like, rested.
Oh my God.
I'm like, dude, how morbid. What are you talking about?
Now, if this video gets enough likes, guys, we'll use the same battery and we can puncture it. Oh, we can puncture it.
You think they're gonna like flood you with likes just to see you stab the battery this time?
Probably.
No.
Should
I
I
do
just
something special? Like
you just want me to do it, huh?
no.
Should I just do it?
You can, but don't lose your face.
All right, here we
I'm
go.
tired
We're
and
gonna
hungry,
puncture it.
and
All right, guys.
I will drive you to the hospital, but I don't feel like it.
Let's puncture it real quick. Are you sure, bro?
Sure.
What are we gonna do if it starts a fire? Like if it actually
It's not gonna start a fire, bro. It's not gonna start a fire, bro. I think it needs to have some kind of a chemical reaction. It needs to be next to something that it could actually start a fire with.
All right. Well, let me put it in one of these, since these are made out of like tin.
It's not gonna start a fire. I don't know, but then again, someone smarter than us might be watching and saying no.
Yeah.
I don't know.
That's better, dude. Look at that.
Mm-hmm. Oh, see? What I tell you.
So nothing happened.
Yeah, boy, you didn't see the smoke?
Yeah, it's all red. Like literally red. Should I poke it again?
No.
No, you're scared of that.
I'm not scared.
Okay.
It's just like, I mean, like, you're going to do it again.
Should I?
Yeah.
All right.
Told you it was going to be a chemical reaction.
Oh,
shit. I mean, shoot. I mean,
Oh.
blink that out. Bro.
Dude.
Oh.
I wonder how much battery this thing had.
That's crazy.
Why is it doing it again?
It's a chemical reaction. It's either reacting to the whatever the blade is made out of, or bro.
Uh-oh. Where's the other piece?
What other piece?
This piece. I can just. We'll be good, right?
I wouldn't do that. Oh shit!
Dude.
See, somebody get it off of there. Get it outside. Get it out.
Oh
nope. Get it outside. Do you have a fire extinguisher? Throw it on the ground.
no, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
No. Throw it on the ground and stomp it. Ow.
All right, bro. Get it right here. Dude, I better get a bunch of views, bro. Leave it. It's fine.
Oh,
Hold on.
I stopped it.
Oh my gosh. Hold on, bro. I wasn't recording.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm just playing. All right, bro. Go. Show it to them.
No, I stomped it.
Oh.
Did you burn yourself?
Yeah.
Dude, that's chemical burn, bro.
It's okay, but at least we got it out.
You're gonna trip the fire alarm. This is toxic. Oh my god. It's still hot.
Guys, look at that.
It's like molten.
Dang, that's crazy. Dude. It just randomly just...
Did you get the whole fire and everything?
Yeah, I think so, bro. Sean.
Oh my god.
Dude, look at that. That was crazy, bro.
You're gonna get in trouble. They're gonna be like, we understand that you have some illegal experiments going on.
Nah. Dude, look at this. Look at this. Look what it did to it. I was literally carrying that.
Okay, but listen. Okay, what would happen if that got pierced or something in somebody's like?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, what if I mean, it would take. It didn't even take that much force.
That's right.
You know what I mean? But it gets stabbed or something, or would that happen? Like, what would happen?
Dude, look what it did to this. Thank God for these gloves.
Like,
Bro.
See? PPE. Told you.
Dude, guys, wear gloves. I'm gonna say who made these. These protected my hands.
Well, yeah.
Except for the ones that have holes. Look at this.
See, so you should keep a nice,
Look at
clean,
that.
fresh pair without holes on hand. Huh?
Yeah, I need to get.
See, what if you accidentally were trying to, do some work and you pierced
punctured
that?
something?
Yeah.
You think the door was open?
No.
Dude, make sure nothing's on fire over here.
Oh, bro.
Yeah. Guys. Oh my gosh, look at that. Let's see what happened up here. Nothing. Is the camera good? Oh my gosh, that was wild. Dude, John. Alright guys, so you guys saw. Check out my fingers, man. And it's because those gloves have a... They have a what? Dude, we like lived a near-death experience
You just set your
together.
shop on fire.
Bro. Damn, look at my fingers. It reminds me when I was little and a black cat firework popped in my fingers.
Oh,
Look at that. Look. It looks bad.
Yeah, it does look bad, bro. You
But
shouldn't have touched that with your hand.
Dude, I mean, if I would have let it here, could have...
I said pull it off, just throw it on the
Dude,
ground.
the
I
carpet
would
would
have
have
stomped it out. Are you
Really?
Yeah. That's what I did outside.
I was scared.
Listen, I would have stomped it out before the carpet even caught on fire, bro. No, I would have like the second it hit the ground, I would have.
Woo! All right, guys.
That
well,
was an element of danger in your.
so now you guys know what happens when you puncture.
Don't do it.
Yeah, this was a
do it.
Samsung battery, guys. Oh my gosh.
Danger.
Let's see these. Oh, these are all holy, bro. That's why.
Keep fresh, unholy, safe, protective equipment. Not like Adrian
Oh my
here
gosh.
with the gloves with the
You know what's
full
funny?
of
I
holes.
have good gloves here.
But
Look
you
at
probably never thought you'd need like
it. Oh my
gloves
gosh,
to protect
these
you
are
from
good.
freaking like fire.
Yeah. All right, let's show them the after. You think it's cool now?
Oh,
It's fresh.
probably.
There's the aftermath, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And if you want to learn how to open a cell phone repair shop, don't watch this video. I'm playing. Go to 911gadgets.com/cell phone repair training. Get that 5-day curriculum. And you know what? I did think about having a fire extinguisher before we did this, but
You should always
I mean,
have a fire
you know,
extinguisher.
guys, don't try this
In
at
case
home
you
at
have
all.
to call 911.
Yeah.
Just 911, not 911 gadgets.
Don't try this at home, guys. Please, and if you're gonna try stuff like that, have a fire extinguisher ready. I'm sorry I didn't have one because I didn't want to go grab one at home. I should have one here though, huh?
Absolutely, but
Yeah.
you were wearing some PPE.
All right, guys. That's it for today. I haven't posted in a while. Hopefully this was a good one for you guys, and
Definitely exciting one.
it sure was, bro. I can't wait to play it back.
Mm.
We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.